Hello everyone, Habib here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share something about a problem when we are updating our Unity project using in-app purchase feature from Unity. I have a current version of 4.5.2 and I'm going to update it to the latest version. Then I will face a problem. You will see. Hang on, let me install the update. Just wait for a moment. I have to somehow re-click this update button. Okay, it will update the package. Then I will show you something later, a problem that you mostly will encounter, and I will let you know how to solve it. Just let me pause the video. Okay, the update progress is completed. Now I have version I have the latest version. Just let me close this window, and here is the error message that you will see after updating the package. I'm using Unity 2021.3.18 F1. To solve this error message, we need to edit the script. Let me copy the message. BuyingConsumables does not implement interface member IStoreListener.OnInitializeFailed blah blah blah. Copy. I'm just copying and pasting it for myself. Okay, here is the way to solve it. Go to line number 9. No, not number 9. On initialize failed. Just copy this word on initialize failed, copy, and find that word here in the BuyingConsumable.cs script. Now you have this line number 55. We can simply solve it by duplicating these 4 lines. Then we add this parameter string msg, something like this. All you need to do is to have this function with 2 parameters, InitializationFailureReason and string parameter, and you go back to Unity editor. Then here we go, the error message is gone, and now we have the latest version of Unity in-app purchasing package. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time on my next videos. Just ignore this error, it doesn't mean anything for us. Okay, thank you, bye bye.